what are the usages of present continuous tense? Present continuous tense መቼና ምን አይነት ድርጊት ለመግለጽ እንጠቀምበታለን? How can the present continuous tense be structured? How is present continuous tense for the near future? Hi guys, my name is Tadr from A to Z English and Amharic. Today we're going to learn about present continuous tense. ዛሬ ስለ present continuous tense እንማራለን። present continuous tense ከ12 ቴንሶች ውስጥ ሁለተኛው አይነት ቴንስ ነው። ይህ ማለት ከፕሬዘንት ሲምፕል ቴንስ ቀጥሎ ማለት ነው። present continuous tense describes actions or activities that are often happening at the time of speaking. present continuous tense አሁንኑ እየተከናወነ ያለን ድርጊት ለመግለጽ የምንጠቀምበት የቴንስ አይነት ነው። for example, it is raining now. አሁን እየዘነበ ነው። what's going on? It is raining now. The activity is taking place at the time of speaking. አሁን እየተከናወነ ያለ ድርጊት ማለት ነው። አሁን እየዘነበ ነው። It has yet stopped raining. ገና አላቆመም። ስለዚህ ምንድነው በመከናወን ላይ ያለ ድርጊት ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በመከናወን ላይ ያለ ድርጊትን ለመግለጽ present continuous tense እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። If so, what is the structure for the present continuous tense? It is structured as subject plus verb of be in the infinitive form and plus main verb with ing form plus object and plus or minus present time or future time. present continuous tense ማለት አብዛኛውን ጊዜ አሁን እየተከናወነ ያለ ድርጊት ለመግለጽ የምንጠቀምበት የቴንስ አይነት ነው። ነገር ግን አንዳንዴ present continuous tenseን አሁን እየተከናወነ ያለ ድርጊት ብቻ ሳይሆን በቀጣይም ሊከናወን እቅድ የተያዘበትን ድርጊት ለመግለጽ እንጠቀማለን። What are the usages of present continuous tense? Usages of present continuous tense. There are 5 usages of present continuous tense. አምስት አይነት ድርጊቶችን ለመግለጽ present continuous tense እንጠቀማለን። present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening now. በአብዛኛው present continuous tense አሁን እየተከናወነ ያለ ድርጊት ለመግለጽ እንጠቀምበታለን። for example, I'm talking to her right now. አሁን እያናገርኳት ነው። ስለ taking place at the time of speaking አሁን እየተከናወነ ያለ ድርጊት ያላለቀ በመከናወን ያለ ድርጊት ማለት ነው። ይሄ ምን እንለዋለን? It is happening at the time of speaking or happening now. አሁን እየተከናወነ ያለ ድርጊት ይባላል ማለት። ስለዚህ አሁን እየተከናወነ ያለ ድርጊትን ለመግለጽ በአብዛኛው እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። present continuous tense እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። and the second one is to describe future plans. በሌላ አገላለጽ present continuous tense ለምን እንጠቀማለን? not happening to describe an action it is not taking place at the time of speaking but in the near future. ወደ አሁን ሳይሆን በቀጣይ ጊዜ ሊከናወን የታቀደን ድርጊት ለመግለጽ present continuous tense እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። for example, I'm talking to her tomorrow. I'm talking to her next week. እኛው ግን ምን አለ ታይም አድቨርቡ future ነው። near future ስለሆነ እንደ ፕላን ነው የምንጠቀመው። That's why it is called future plan. እቅድን ለመግለጽ ማለት ነው። አሁን እየተከናወነ ያልሆነ ነገር ግን ለወደፊት ሊከናወን የታቀደን ድርጊት ለመግለጽ ምን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ስለዚህ present continuous tense እንጠቀማለን። And the third usage of present continuous tense is about temporary actions. What is the temporary action? It is an example of a tentative activity. አንድ ወቅታዊ ወይም ጊዜያዊ ለሆነ ነገር ለመግለጽ present continuous tense. For example, he is living in Boston for the summer. ቦስተን ላይ ለሳመር ብቻ ይቆያል። ይሄ ማለት temporary action ነው ማለት ነው። The fourth usage of the present continuous tense is to describe about a progressive action. በአራተኛ ደረጃ present continuous tense ምን ለመግለጽ እንጠቀምበታለን? progressive action. progressive action ማለት ሂደታዊ ድርጊት ማለት። for example, the climate is getting warmer and warmer. አየር ንብረቱ ምን እያለ ነው? እየሞቀ መጣ። in this sentence we can understand that it is a progressive. She is becoming more and more beautiful. He is getting stronger and stronger. Here we're going to use the double comparative adjectives. more and more. And the fifth usage of the present continuous tense is about to describe a repeated bad habit. በአምስተኛ ደረጃ ተደጋጋሚ መጥፎ ልምድን ለመግለጽ present continuous tense እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። which the speaker doesn't like. ተናጋሪው የሚጠላው ወይም የሚተቸው ጉዳይን ድርጊትን ለመግለጽ present continuous tense እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። for example, she is always losing her keys. ምን ማለት ነው? እሷ ደግሞ ሁሌ ቁልፍ እንዳጠፋች፣ እሷ ደግሞ ሁሌ እንደዘገየች He's always smoking a lot. He's always coming late. She's always getting late. She's always laughing at the passenger. Okay, what are the general structures of the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense ጠቅላላ structures እና okay, the first one is affirmative to negative. ከአዎንታዊ ወደ አሉታዊ affirmative action ማለት አዎንታዊ ድርጊት ማለት ነው። For example, they are coming up. እየመጡ ነው። አፍራሽ እናደርገው they are not coming up. The next structure is affirmative to interrogative. An interrogative sentence is a questioning sentence. Interrogative sentence ማለት መጠይቃዊ አረፍተ ነገር ማለት ነው። They're coming up. The statement. It is a positive or affirmative statement. So we need to change this affirmative or positive statement into the interrogative sentence or question sentence. Are they coming up? Question mark. Okay, the third one is changing the positive interrogative to the negative interrogative. ከአዎንታዊ መጠየቅ ወደ አሉታዊ መጠየቅ እንዴት መቀየር ይቻላል? ሶስተኛው are they reading the book? Aren't they reading the book? This is the interrogative or question sentence. Is she attending the meeting? Isn't she attending the meeting? Question mark. Okay, that was the lesson we have for today about present continuous tense. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get the present lesson notification. Now do the following quiz on the present continuous tense.